Today, this video demonstration is going to teach you how to implement the CRA model, which is the Concrete Representational Abstract Model, to teach basic addition. Ashley is going to be the student during this demonstration, and I'm going to be the teacher. Ashley, today we are going to use the CRA model to learn how to do our basic addition, all right? And I'm going to go through with you what each of the letters stand for and how we're going to use them in the model, all right? And the first one, we're going to start off with our concrete stage. So what I would like for you to do is I want you to watch as I do this problem, all right? Okay. So this problem is 3 plus 2. So I have two numbers in this problem. And I'm going to use manipulatives during this stage to help me better understand how to do the problem. So I'm going to count out 3 ornaments. 1, 2, 3. That's what my first number was. And then my second number is 2, so I'm going to count 2 additional ornaments out. 1, 2. And then I'm going to total them up. So I'm going to count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that 3 plus 2 is 5. All right? Now, I want you to work with me on the second problem. We have 4 plus 5. So what do you think you're going to do first? Count out 4. Yes. So why don't you go ahead and count out 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Now, what do you think will be our next step? Count it out 4. Count out 5. Yep. So now you want to count out 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Now, you have counted out the 2 numbers that are involved in this problem. So now we need to combine them to get our total. So can you count all of those for me and let me know how many are there? 9. 9. So there's 9 total, right? So we know 4 plus 5 equals 9. Great job, Ashley. Now, I want you to try this last problem on your own. All right, we're going to do 8 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. 1, 2. 10. 10. Perfect. So 8 plus 2 is 10. All right? And you can see, using these manipulatives, how to do your addition, right? All right. Great job. Now we're going to go and move into the representational stage, all right, of the CRA model. And during this stage, we are no longer going to use our manipulatives, all right? We're going to draw pictures to help us understand how to do the problem. So on here, we have 6 plus 2, all right? And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw these ornaments instead of using the ornaments. So I know I have 6, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I know I have plus 2 additional ornaments. 1, 2. And since I'm adding, I know I can add the 6 to the 2. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That gives me a total of 8 ornaments. All right? Now let's try this one together. Okay. I'll let you write. So we have 4 plus 3. So what are we going to do first? Draw 4 ornaments. All right, so why don't you go ahead and draw 4 ornaments. And what do you think we're going to do next after we draw our 4 ornaments? Draw 3 more. All right, so why don't you go ahead and do that? All right, and now what do we need to do? We need to go to the numbers. We need to count them all. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have a total of how many ornaments? 7. 7 ornaments. All right, perfect. So write that down. Now I want you to try this one all by yourself. Okay. 4 plus 1. Great job. Now, I want to teach you a little mnemonic that's going to help you when you have to do these problems and you can't use manipulatives and you can't use drawings or pictures, all right? And it's going to help jog your memory on what procedure you need to do when you're doing this problem, all right? It's called the draw strategy. So D-R-A-W. And when you're taking a test or whenever you're doing an addition problem, I want you to use that mnemonic and write that down, all right? And so what the D stands for is discover the sign. Can you repeat that? Discover the sign. Discover the sign. So that means when you look at a problem, you want to first look at the sign of the operation so you know what you're supposed to be performing. Addition or subtraction, all right? Multiplication or division. Okay. Then I want you to read the problem, all right? Before you do anything else. Don't write anything. I want you to read the problem and make sure you understand what you're doing. So can you repeat that after me? Read the problem. Read the problem. Perfect. The next letter is A. I want you to answer the problem. So after you've discovered the sign, read the problem, you're ready to answer the problem. Can you repeat after me? Answer the problem. Answer the problem. Perfect. And lastly, you're going to write down your answer. So what are you going to do last? Write down your answer. All right, you're going to write down your answer. Now, I want you can practice using this mnemonic right now as you go and move into the abstract phase. During this phase, you're not going to use any of the manipulatives, and you're also not going to use any pictures or drawings. You can use the mnemonic strategy to help you perform the problem, but you can't use the drawings or the manipulatives. You understand? Okay. All right, you have 3 problems. Okay. So go ahead and get started on that one. All right, great job, Ashley. You did a great job today. We have done the whole concrete, representational, abstract sequence